Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are not just talking about a movie, we are talking about a tsunami that's currently whipping everything in its path. I will be talking about Durandar the Revenge. Durandar has just created a history, but there is a very insignificant silence in Bollywood. While living legends like Rajnikant, Ramcharan, Allu Arjun have called this movie a must watch and a blockbuster performance and called Aditya Dhar as box office ka baap, but the A-listers in Mumbai like the King Khans and the legend himself Amitabh Bachchan choose to stay silent. Why is it? Because are they scared? Is it because Durandar does not fit their safe formula? God knows why people are calling Durandar the propaganda movie, whereas it showed all the reality. That said, let's review Durandar the Beast.
पाकिस्तान का मुस्तकबिल अब हिंदुस्तान तय करेगा।
Let's get into the direction. Aditya Dhar has proven that Uri wasn't just a fluke. His command over high stake tension is insane. The way he builds the world of Lyari, Karachi, has something that Indian cinema has not seen in the scale. The vision of Aditya Dhar seemed to be very clear. He wanted people to know the reality, and hats off, Durandar the Revenge did justice. Second, the acting. We need to take Ranveer Singh seriously, guys. He is one hell of an actor. After all this, I just remember Shah Rukh Khan saying that he was the last of the stars.
I'm the last of the stars.
Well, sorry, SRK, looking at this performance, it is clear that the throne is being reclaimed. Ranveer Singh as Jaskirat Singh Rangi and Hamza Ali Mazari is a revelation. He is not acting just as a spy, he is the force of nature. From the intense stare to the emotional breakdown of the background story, he has officially entered the legend league. Third, talking about the music, the background music is a character of its own. It doesn't just play in the background, it hits you in your chest. The use of high energy tracks and unexpected songs was a killer. Hands down, Durandar is one of the highest grossing movies and have broken down all the records. And without giving you any spoilers, I would like to add some scenes which were very close to my heart. Watching Jaskirat's transformation into Hamza, that was shown post credit, showed that it is not just another spy movie where people dance and people rejoice. No, it requires strength, sacrifice, and a lot of confidence. This had the entire theater in tears. Background story of Hamza tells how connected he was with his family. This showed an intense connect and the audience was hooked. And talking about the last 30 minutes, the final action sequence is a masterclass. It is not just mindless explosion, it is tactical, it is brutal, it is patriotic, and it is true to its nature. Having said that, what do you think? Is it the end of the YRF Spy Worlds era? Audience are done with gravity defying nonsense and choosing stardom over substance. Durandar has set a new benchmark. It is smarter, royal, and more grounded. Something that people can connect with. Something that showed that India is a new India. It is going to fight back. If this Durandar is a trend, I think YRF वालों की कहानी खत्म हो गई है. That's all for this video, guys. I tried to give you my honest review without giving any spoilers. And also, I think Ranveer Singh is not just the next star. He might just be the only star that matters right now. Thank you for joining me till here. I am a huge fan of Durandar. Don't forget to comment down below what do you think about this movie. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye.